your idea of a happy life. Happiness is only status maiden. It is often linked with wealth. It is common belief that only rich people are happy because they have plenty of money and poor people are not. But it is not true because there are rich people who are not happy with their life. They may not have peace mind or they not have good health to enjoy life. If a poor man becomes a little wealth, he craves for more. Man always has the desire to be more and more wealth. There is no limit to his desire. A millionaire does not consider his wealth to be sufficient. I think the idea of happy life is to live contented life with the wealth and health one had. If we have moderately good income, either as an employee or as a businessman, we should be satisfied with it and lead a happy and precious life. One, on the other hand, my crave for more and more wealth, we may end up with nothing. We may lose our jobs or business and suffer lack. There are rich men who sorrow had to the poor. They help the poor and needy by giving away part of their wealth. Such people should be respected by the societies for their benevolent